Hello fellow retirees, welcome back to the channel. Retirement isn't the end of the road, it's the beginning of a brand new adventure. If the open sea has ever whispered your name, now is the perfect time to listen. Sailing in retirement isn't just a dream, it's a lifestyle rooted in freedom, self-reliance, and purpose. It's about trading in the noise of the daily grind for the rhythm of the tides. You've spent your life working for others. Now every sunrise and every breeze belongs entirely to you. This is your time to explore, reflect, and truly live on your own terms. Imagine charting your own course, anchoring in hidden coves and feeling the wind carry you to places you've only dreamed of. That's not fantasy, it's what retirement can look like when you embrace sailing. So if you're ready to reclaim your time, your choices, and your future, make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Join a passionate community of explorers who are redefining what it means to retire, with courage, joy, and adventure at the helm. Let's go for it. Why sailing makes sense in retirement. Sailing during retirement is not just a way to spend your time, it's a whole new mindset that invites freedom, adventure, and tranquility. Imagine waking up each day with no clock to follow, no set schedule, just you and the open water ahead. This lifestyle lets you live on your own terms, setting your own pace and embracing each day with a sense of purpose and joy. It's a life of no rush, no routine, only the gentle push of the wind and the rhythm of the waves guiding you. In retirement, the idea of living without the constraints of a 9-to-5 job can feel like a dream come true. Sailing amplifies this freedom, offering a lifestyle where you can decide how you want to spend each moment. There's no pressure, no deadlines, just you, your boat, and the endless horizon. But sailing isn't just about escaping routine, it's about creating your own, one that's driven by your passions and your pace. What makes sailing so perfect for retirees is how it balances independence and connection. You have the autonomy to choose where you want to go, when to stop, and how long to stay. But you're never truly isolated. The sea has a way of connecting you to nature, other sailors, and the world around you in a meaningful way. It quote as excitement without the chaos, adventure without the stress. Sailing allows you to embrace the unexpected, but always on your own terms. Retirement is a gift of time, and sailing gives that time direction. Instead of letting days slip by, you have the chance to fill each one with purpose, adventure, and a sense of accomplishment. Whether you're exploring new shores, learning new skills, or simply enjoying the peace of being out on the water, sailing offers a retirement lifestyle that's rich in both freedom and fulfillment. Safety first, always. Embarking on a sailing adventure during retirement is a dream come true for many. But before you set sail, it's essential to prioritize safety above all else. Taking a certified safety course, especially one designed for retired or senior sailors, is a game changer. This course will teach you the ropes of safe navigation, weather patterns, emergency protocols, and most importantly, how to create and follow comprehensive checklists. These fundamentals will not only give you the confidence to navigate open waters, but also the peace of mind that you're fully prepared for anything. A well-equipped boat is a sailor's best companion. Life jackets are a must, one for each person on board, but that's just the beginning. Equip your boat with a reliable VHF radio to stay in touch with the shore and other vessels. An EPIRB, emergency position indicating radio beacon, is a life-saving device that could make all the difference in a crisis. Finally, don't forget to pack a fully stocked medical kit. Being prepared for medical emergencies is as crucial as knowing how to operate your boat safely. Remember, your well-being is the anchor of every successful journey. A well-prepared sailor is a confident sailor. The more you focus on safety, the more freedom you'll feel out on the water. Safety doesn't just protect you, it enhances your experience. It allows you to embrace the adventure fully, knowing that, if anything goes wrong, you have the knowledge and tools to handle it. This sense of security transforms every moment spent on the water into an opportunity for peace, relaxation, and the thrill of the open sea. Choosing the right boat for your needs. When choosing a boat for your retirement sailing adventures, it's essential to pick one that serves you. After all, this is your time to enjoy, not struggle with maintenance or complex tasks. Look for boats equipped with user-friendly features that make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Electric winches, for example, can take the strain out of hoisting sails. Autopilot systems allow you to cruise with ease, so you can relax and enjoy the journey without constantly managing the helm. Roller furling sails make adjusting your sails quick and simple, and wide, non-slip decks ensure that moving around the boat is safe and comfortable, even in rougher conditions. When it comes to the size of your boat, a cruiser between 28 and 36 feet is the sweet spot. It offers the perfect balance of comfort, control, and manageable upkeep. A smaller boat means less maintenance and easier handling, but still enough space for long voyages and leisurely trips. This size allows you to maintain a good level of comfort without feeling overwhelmed by the size or complexity of a larger vessel. You'll have enough room to stretch out and relax, but won't need to spend all your time cleaning, repairing, or managing complicated systems. It's also crucial to choose a vessel that respects your mobility and prioritizes your safety. Retirement means you're ready for relaxation and freedom, not worrying about climbing up and down difficult ladders or managing challenging sails. Opt for a boat that provides stability, safety features like easy-to-reach railings, and layout choices that make moving around simpler and more intuitive. The boat you choose should be a reflection of your lifestyle, something that fits your goals and enhances your comfort on the water. Whether you're planning to explore new coastlines or enjoy peaceful days anchored in a quiet bay, your boat should feel like an extension of your retirement dreams. Gaining independence through seamanship. Imagine waking up to the sound of waves gently lapping against your boat, the sun rising over the horizon, and the freedom to sail wherever your heart desires. Retirement isn't just about slowing down, it's about embracing a new chapter filled with adventure. You don't need a crew to enjoy this kind of freedom. With the right skills, you can take the helm and explore the open waters, all on your own. The first step, learn the basics. Anchoring, line handling, docking, and route planning are essential skills that can be mastered with a little practice. You don't have to dive into complex techniques right away. Start with the fundamentals, and you'll build a solid foundation for more advanced sailing down the road. It's all about gaining confidence and understanding how your boat operates. Think of it as building a relationship with your vessel. Once you know what makes it tick, you'll feel like a pro. To fast-track your learning, consider taking local classes or joining a cruising club. Being part of a community of like-minded sailors will give you access to expert advice, hands-on experience, and the camaraderie of others who share your passion. Plus, you'll get to practice in different conditions, learning how to handle your boat in everything from calm waters to those occasional gusts of wind. Starting small is key. Short day trips around your local area are the perfect way to gain experience and build your confidence. The beauty of sailing is that it doesn't matter if you're cruising across the open ocean or just exploring a nearby cove. You get to enjoy the freedom and tranquility of the sea. Every journey, no matter how short, is an opportunity to grow. Mastering your boat is all about mastering your freedom. The more skills you gain, the more independent you become. And in retirement, this newfound independence can be one of the most fulfilling aspects of your life. Instead of relying on others for help, you'll be in control of your destiny, charting your own course wherever the wind takes you. Sailing solo versus with a companion. Sailing solo in retirement can be a profoundly empowering experience. There's something deeply satisfying about being out on the water, fully in control, relying solely on your instincts to guide you. Whether it's navigating through open waters or anchoring in a peaceful cove, every decision rests with you. It builds confidence in a way nothing else can. You trust your judgment, your hands on the wheel, your eyes scanning the horizon. This self-reliance is a true testament to the power of age and experience, reminding you that you're capable of much more than you ever thought. But while solo sailing is enriching, sharing the experience with a partner brings a different kind of joy. In retirement, the time you spend with a loved one on the water can forge a stronger bond than ever before. The shared tasks of handling lines, trimming sails, or setting anchors create natural opportunities for cooperation. There's laughter in the little moments, like when the wind catches you off guard or you take an unexpected detour. And these moments together can transform your sailing trips into memories that last a lifetime. No matter which path you choose, solo or with a partner, the journey is yours to shape. In both cases, communication is key. Even when sailing solo, staying connected to your surroundings and tuning into your intuition is crucial. When sailing with someone else, open communication, mutual respect, and teamwork ensure smooth sailing. You learn how to anticipate each other's moves, how to problem solve together, and how to celebrate the victories, big or small. Whether you're carving your own course or sharing the adventure with someone special, sailing in retirement is about freedom, growth, and connection. Every wave that crashes against your hull is a reminder that this chapter belongs to you, and how you navigate it is entirely up to you. Planning a lifestyle, not just a trip. Sailing in retirement isn't just a fleeting adventure, it can become a fulfilling, full-time lifestyle. The freedom of the open water, the thrill of discovery, and the joy of living life on your terms all come together in a way that transforms your daily routine. The key is to create habits that support your health, safety, and well-being while allowing you to experience the joy of the journey. Whether it's maintaining a regular exercise routine to stay active or ensuring your boat is well equipped for safety, these practices will make every day on the water smoother and more enjoyable. Plan your voyages with flexibility. Retirement is your time, and there's no rush to get anywhere fast. Sailing isn't about checking off destinations from a list, it's about embracing the freedom to explore at your own pace. Let the wind dictate the rhythm of your days, not a rigid schedule. Take the time to enjoy the process, whether you're sailing through quiet coves or anchoring in bustling harbors. Slow down and allow each journey to unfold naturally. This pace of exploration not only brings peace but also opens the door to deeper reflection. Life at sea offers the space to think, to grow, and to experience the world in a way that landlocked life simply can't provide. Each sunrise at sea feels like a fresh start. The horizon stretches before you full of possibilities. With every new day comes a new adventure, a chance to recalibrate your course, and an opportunity to reflect on where you've been and where you're headed. And as you pull into a new harbor, the perspective you gain from the change in scenery, the shift in surroundings, and the people you meet enriches the entire experience. Every harbor becomes not just a place to rest, but a gateway to new learning, new encounters, and new memories. Retirement at sea offers something more than just relaxation. It offers dignity and simplicity. It's about living fully, not in a rush, but in harmony with the rhythm of the waves. Each moment spent on the water reminds you that life's greatest treasures come from the simplest things. The wind in your sails, the calm of the sea, and the peace of knowing you are exactly where you need to be. Final thoughts. This is your time. Sailing in retirement is about more than wind and water. It's about reclaiming your life with intention. This is the season where time belongs to you, where each sunrise over the sea feels like a fresh start, and every charted course reflects a decision made with purpose. It's not just a change in scenery, it's a shift in mindset, one that embraces freedom without forgetting the value of preparation. Safety becomes your trusted companion, not a source of fear. With the right training, gear, and awareness, you're not taking risks, you're taking charge. Modern navigation tools, weather tracking apps, and emergency protocols give you the confidence to sail smart, not scared. It's about knowing that your life experience is your greatest asset on the water. Independence doesn't have to mean isolation. Cruising communities thrive across the globe, welcoming fellow sailors with open arms. Marinas become your neighborhoods, and fellow retirees become lifelong friends. The beauty of this lifestyle is that you get to choose when to anchor in solitude and when to join a sundowner gathering on deck. Adventure in retirement isn't about proving anything. It's about doing what fills your soul. Whether it's exploring hidden coves, fishing at sunrise, or watching dolphins play off your bow, every moment feels earned and deeply yours. You're not just sailing a boat, you're navigating a lifestyle designed for dignity, discovery, and deep personal joy. And there you have it, folks. You've earned this chapter of your life. Now it's time to live it fully. The sea is calling, not just as a destination, but as a symbol of your new freedom. No more schedules, no more rush. Just you, your vessel, and the wide-open horizon. Let the winds of confidence guide you. Let safety, empowerment, and self-respect shape every journey you take. This isn't about escape, it's about expansion. You're not drifting into retirement. You're steering straight into a life of purpose, growth, and pure joy. If this stirs something inside you, if you feel the pull to hoist your own sails and chase what's out there, then don't hold back. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, and tap the notification bell so you never miss a new adventure. We're building a community of bold souls rewriting what retirement looks like, one nautical mile at a time. Retirement isn't the end, it's your launch pad. Let's set sail and make every moment count.